Hey guys, my name is Michael.
Hi, I'm Seisha.
And today we're going to show you how to make a water filter using household supplies.
So water filters are very important because we can't just drink the water that's straight from the ocean or water from murky lakes. So water filtration in our case is going to be created from using plants, and plants absorb some of the toxins as well as restrict some of the water flow. So the first thing that we're going to use is cilantro. Next we use basil, then we use rubber bands, then we're going to use our water filter, coffee filters, and we're going to use our bottle. We'll have our cutting supplies, our marking supplies, tape, and dirty water.
Cool, so we're going to get started. As you saw earlier, the bottle is already pre-cut. What you would do is you would get a solid bottle and then you would cut it about 3/4 of the way from the top. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of the coffee filters and we're going to put it down in the middle of the coffee filter and use one of the marking utensils to outline the bottle along the coffee filter. All the way around like that. And so as you can see, we already have a pre-done coffee filter where we outlined it just as we saw earlier before. The next steps we're going to do are to tape around the coffee filter along the circumference of the circle that we just marked out. So we're going to do it like that, and we're going to tape along the edge until we cover the entire circumference of the circle. Just holding up the finished product.
So it's important that we tape the sides just so that the water goes through the center, and so you want this to be water resistant so that it can just go through the circle that we did.
Okay, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the top of the water bottle and get the other filter that we have, and we're going to place it so that the filter goes around the outside of the water bottle. You might need 2 people to do this because the next step is putting on the rubber band at the edge of the water bottle. So what we're going to do, just wrap it around the edge, twist, wrap around, and give it one more twist for good measure. Now you can use as many rubber bands as you want, but one rubber band does the job for what we're trying to do. And so that's what it's going to look like. So the next thing that we're going to do is put it inside the bottle. And we found that it's a little easier to get this filter inside the inner part of the bottle if it's wet. So Seisha's going to wet the middle of this coffee filter so that we can put it into the bottle. Excellent. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in. Make sure that you're very gentle when it comes to this. You want to get the bottom part of the filter all the way into the lip of the bottle without making a hole in the bottom. And so this is what it's going to look like whenever it's in there. Okay, the next step is to put it back in the bottle, and then we're going to use the cilantro and the basil, and we're going to stuff it into the bottle. You can do it with the leaves and stems, or do it with the leaves, depends on however you want to do it. Just make sure that whenever you put it in, it is packed tightly in the top of the bottle. Making sure that it's packed tightly will give the leaves more time to absorb the liquid, and as well as restrict the water flow so that you can actually get more filtration of the water that we're going to put in. Pack it in there. So if you take a look closer, it's pretty packed in there. About a third to a half of the top is filled in. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the basil, pour it on top, and we're going to pat that in as well. Okay, and so this is essentially the water filter.
Disclaimer, this water is still dirty, so do not try to drink it. There are a lot of particles that we still can't see, and there could be toxins and bacteria in it, so don't drink it.
But thank you so much for everybody tuning in and watching our video. Make sure y'all stay tapped in. We're going to have more content for you all. We hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.